This is a gift that he doesn't know anything about yet.
Stop it.
Into it.
Cheers, mate.
Into it.
Early.
Into it. One at a time. No, open it. You get no, open it.
You're kidding.
So it's different sizes.
Look on the back. Look on the back.
Oh, stop it.
Ah!
How good is that? That's freaking awesome.
And on the sleeves. On the look.
Oh, really?
Up here.
How awesome is that? That looks killer.
Yeah, boy.
Kidding.
Nah.
Look at that.
Flip her over.
That's the go.
Where's his logo on that?
Down the bottom.
Oh, over here.
That's sick. How good. Yeah.
Seems to be the shit.
The shit, yeah. How good is that? Oh, singlet. How
Yeah,
good.
boy.
That's awesome.
That's got your logo again on the back.
And that's so cool, eh? How good did their logo come in? How good is that? I love that.
It come out a little bit pink
Pinky
on the
on the
ends,
bottom.
but he doesn't want
No.
pink on the bottom.
That's right.
Stop it.
That's so good. Awesome. Thanks, mate. That's so good.
Merry Christmas.
And the rest. First of all, thanks Adam for giving us the sponsorship, and thank you for all our gear. And it's done very well with all our logos and stuff on it. It's really awesome.
No worries.
All the lures you gave us, thanks for that. And also the last, what, 3-4 days worth of fishing.
Boating.
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 Right. You want to tell us a bit about yourself?
Been making lures 24 years now. Totally enjoy it. Me and Anna, which you can pan over there, who's filming the film, have built this little factory, and hopefully we'll be doing it full time. So just one step at a time, but yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to do it full time and make a full time job for both me and Anna out of it. And yeah, so I think I should show you around the factory. Can't show you a lure making machine because everybody wants to see how I make the blanks, but I can show you everything else, and then we'll zip into the soft plastic room and get you to make some soft plastics for the road.
Sounds good to me. Let's
Yeah.
do it.
Okay, so we'll go into the timber room and I'll show you what happens in here. So we got people everywhere. Okay, so that's the magic machine. I'm going to show you how to use that. But what happens with it is you put a block of wood in and it'll turn out a 3D timber lure. So what we do from there is we undercoat them in the next room, and then once they're undercoated we bring them back and we sand them like so, and then they're undercoated, sanded, the ends get cut off, all their holes get drilled in it, and paint them up, and that's what they look like when they're ready to go to the paint shop. So let's go to the paint shop and have a look. Okay, so this is the paint and soft plastics room. So we've got a full-on spray booth here. We've got filters, extraction fans, all that, so it's all safe. When we paint our lures, we hang all our lures up so they'll be all in a row so that we can spin them without touching them and stuff like that. Undercoating area, so once they're undercoated they're hung up on the wires so that they drip. That's a nice new cover sheet. And then we've got our soft plastics, so we make them out of the moulds. We're going to be making our own moulds shortly, buying a machine, but that's how they come out of the moulds. And then we trim them up and take the excess off. Nothing's wasted because we can remelt that and make more lures as well. So, and then they're all hung up for 48 hours. And then yeah, packaged and away we go. So let's get you on the tools and make a soft plastic.
Let's do it.
is running through her skin. Standing there with nothing on. She's gonna teach me how to swim. I said, ooh girl, shining like an extreme.
Just don't suck it right to the bottom. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That'll do you, so you don't have.
Like that?
Yep, push down till you feel resistance. Yep, move it. Move it. When you feel that resistance, I'll come in, watch your camera. I'll come in behind you, so it doesn't suck the air. Ready? Not bad for his first go.
How good?
Another one? Copper green, he calls them. Copper green. Another one. Another one. Let's see which one he stuffs up on. Wait, where's your legs? They're getting smaller, people. Oh, pardon you.
It's starting to get harder.
It's hard,
Yeah.
that's it.
There we go.
Hey, look at this. Pristine Lures. Just smashing them. Kicking goals. She not only can catch all the fish, she can make the lures too. Here we have our newest employee cutting up the grubs. Yeah, boy. So this is our office and where I put all the lures together. So I do putting all the hooks on, gluing all the wires in, all that sort of stuff here. There are a couple of poppers that's coming through this week. They're the 2-inch, they're the 3-inch. Hopefully we'll see some good photos of these poppers with Aiden and Tess catching fish. So that's that, and then we've got my big fish tank to keep us amused while we're not making fishing lures. And then we have where I do all of my sign writing and stickers, and I make up all decals for all the different lures, and they go on before I 2-pack clear them. So these ones here are just ready to have their decals on, and then they'll be 2-pack clear. So let's get into it.